Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. Match the following descriptions given in column 2 of each type of blood cell to their names given in column 1. So column 1 is blood cells, erythrocyte, eosinophil, lymphocyte, neutrophil and basophil. And column 2 description is number 1, most abundant white blood cell and the main phagocytic cell of the blood. Number 2, least abundant white blood cell releases histamine granules. Number 3, resist infections and are associated with allergic reaction. Number 4, blood cell that contains hemoglobin and transports oxygen. And number 5, specialized antibody producing white blood cells. So option 1 is A is 4, B is 3, C is 5, D is 1 and E is 2. Option 2 is A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4 and E is 5. Option 3 is A is 2, B is 3, C is 1, D is 5 and E is 4. And the last option is A is 4, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3 and E is 5. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें मैच करना है द ब्लड सेल विद देयर डिस्क्रिप्शन. सो द key concept for this question is blood cells. blood cells. So हम एक एक करके समझते हैं different types of blood cell in our body. The first one is erythrocyte. So erythrocytes होते हैं red blood cells. So इनमें present होता है एक pigment that is hemoglobin. So इसी pigment की वजह से they are red in color. So erythrocytes हमारे carry करते हैं oxygen and carbon dioxide to and fro from the tissues. Secondly होते हैं eosinophil. So eosinophil होते हैं white blood cells जो कि सपोर्ट करते हैं our immune system. So ये हेल्प करते हैं हमें in resisting infections and it also helps in protecting our body from certain allergens. Thirdly होते हैं lymphocyte. So lymphocytes भी होते हैं a type of white blood cells. So lymphocytes भी help करते हैं our immune system. So lymphocytes specialized white blood cells होते हैं जो कि produce करते हैं antibodies to fight against various infections. Fourthly होते हैं neutrophil. So neutrophil भी white blood cells होते हैं जो कि most abundant होते हैं and ये हमारे essential part होते हैं of our innate immune system. So they are phagocytic and ये quickly detect करते हैं infection signs and then trap and kill करते हैं the pathogens. Lastly होते हैं basophil. basophil. So basophil भी होते हैं white blood cells and ये होते हैं least abundant and ये हमारे responsible होते हैं for inflammatory reactions. So basophil हमारे रिलीज करते हैं हिस्टामिन ग्रैन्यूल्स जो कि इंड्यूस करते हैं इन्फ्लेमेशन. सो A erythrocytes is number 4, that is blood cells that contain hemoglobin and transport oxygen, and B eosinophil is number 3, that is resist reactions and are associated with allergic reaction, and the third lymphocyte is 5th, that is specialized antibody producing white blood cell, and D neutrophil is number 1 most abundant white blood cell and the main phagocytic cell of the blood, and the last basophil is least abundant white blood cell, releases histamine granules. So A is 4, B is 3, C is 5, D is 1 and E is 2. So our answer is A. So I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.